Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. Here is how you can enable it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iOS to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. This section contains various security settings for your account. Step 4. Select Two-Step Verification. Within the account settings, look for Two-Step Verification and tap on it. This will take you to the Two-Step Verification setup. Step 5. Enable and Setup. Tap on Enable to activate Two-Step Verification. You will then be prompted to create a 6-digit PIN and provide an email address for recovery purposes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now your WhatsApp account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your PIN and recovery email safe.